Up next, we're going to do a review on the BiMetal Heatbreak that I got off of Amazon from my prior videos. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Chris Sergeant Taz here, and today I'm going to go over my last video to some degree. I used the new BiMetal Heatbreak that I purchased off Amazon, and the link where it actually is in the last video. I got two of them when I was changing out my whole extruder setup. Problem arose. One has successfully been running no problem. Number two, not so much. So this is what I've wound up with. It's separated from the heat break itself on the hot end side. I don't even know why. In all honesty, it doesn't seem like it's mounted correctly, or whatever they're using didn't work really well. My first one I did turned out really well. I'm not sure if it was a different makeup or what have you. I'm not sure of even of the manufacturer of these. Unfortunately, I figured I'd give it, off Amazon a try, because I didn't feel like waiting for one from Triangle Labs. It's going to take me 30 days to get it. So I gave that a shot. Started having printing issues after I did the change in the swaps in my last video. Couldn't figure out why. This was it. So, for some reason, it popped off, and I was getting weird printing issues. Obviously, it was spinning back and forth and up and down, so I wasn't getting consistency on my layer. Figured out what it was. So one worked, one didn't. That's my update on that. What I did do is I wound up going on to Amazon in the interim, because I needed to print. I got other print jobs I got to get done. I went and bought some Winsin titanium ones. So I bought these guys, and so far it was a direct swap. The last update that I did on changing the extruder aluminum plate with the Kraken style has worked out really nice, because this would have took me a good half an hour, 45 minutes. It took me like maybe 10-15 minutes tops to swap it out and get myself back up and running with limited, tools too. I mean, I have to take the whole extruder apart. I just popped up the two grub screws, dropped it down, and released the heater cartridge and the thermistor. Took the other one apart, put it all back together, stuck it back up in there, and put the two grub screws in, and I was done. So I'm not sure about recommending the BiMetal Heatbreaks right now. Still testing out the other one. Hopefully I'll get some from Triangle Labs. Who knows how long it's going to take to mail, but I ordered them, so we'll see. But the ones off of Amazon, I'm not sure I'd recommend, because I'm 1 for 2. Your use may vary, but I figured I'd get this out there and let you guys know. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. And as always, see ya.